Before you lose the strength to button your own shirt, open your daily medication, or unlock your own front door, you need to check your fine motor control. There is a simple 5-second paper test you can do right now to see if your neurological grip is decaying. If you fail, we can rebuild it easily. Grab a single piece of paper and let's test it.
Hold the piece of paper tightly between your thumb and the side of your index finger, exactly like a key. Now use your other hand and try to pull the paper away. Hold it as tight as you possibly can. 3, 2, 1.
If the paper slipped right out of your fingers or your thumb joint collapsed inward, your fine motor control is showing severe signs of early decline. But here is the fix. Your grip strength can be completely restored. Practice pinching a thick rubber band or squeezing a rolled-up towel for 2 minutes every morning. Tell me in the comments if you held the paper or if it slipped, and subscribe to protect your independence.